Hello, fifth graders. I'm going to go over a few of the Google form questions from yesterday, just so if you got any incorrect, you can kind of see where you went wrong. So the first problem was brackets, parentheses, 4 times 6, parentheses, plus 6, brackets around all of that, divided by 6. All right, so yesterday we did talk about the addition of these things called brackets and then also, in a bigger problem, braces. And what I just said was that you always have to start from the inside of whatever the brackets or braces are and then work out. All right, so on the side, I'm just gonna write the order of operations just so I don't forget. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division left to right, addition and subtraction left to right. All right, so I see the brackets, which automatically tells me I'm starting in this section first, and I'm gonna start all the way in the inside, which is 4 times 6. So 4 times 6 is 24, and then I'm gonna rewrite the whole entire problem. 24 plus 6, because I haven't done that yet, put the brackets around both of those numbers, divided by 6. All right, so now I'm still focusing on my brackets. So I'm going to do 24 plus 6, and I get 30, and then bring down the divided by 6. Now, since we already solved what is inside the brackets, once you rewrite it just like this 24, you don't have to keep it in parentheses. Same thing with this 24 plus 6, you don't have to keep it in brackets. It's just 30 once you get a single answer. All right, so now all I'm solving is 30 divided by 6, and the answer is 5 for that problem. All right, that's the first problem. You get 5 as the answer. Let's look at the next problem. All right, so the next problem is 80 plus 16 divided by 4 plus 12. I saw some people, when I looked at the Google form, got a little mixed up with this problem, and I'm assuming it's because you started from the left and worked your way to the right. But if we look at our order of operations, division comes before addition. So we are actually going to start with the 16 divided by 4. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. Bring down the 80, bring down the 12. So 80 plus 4 plus 12. Now we only have addition, okay? And we also know a certain property that no matter how we add, if it's all addition, we get the same answer, okay? Which is called the commutative property, all right? But if we also look, when we have addition, we can just go left to right when we just have addition, okay? So let's do 80 plus 4, and we get 84. Bring down 12. 84 plus 12 is, well, 84 plus 10 is 94, plus 2 more is 96. And that's our answer for problem number 2. All right, let's look at the next problem. All right, it is, we have a bracket, then we have 52 plus parentheses 48 divided by 8, parentheses with a bracket, plus 17. All right, so I see again brackets and braces. That's our brackets and parentheses. That's what my eyes draw to, and that's where I'm going to start. And I'm going to work my way from the inside and work my way out. So 48 divided by 8. That's what I'm going to do first. And 48 divided by 8 is 6. And then I'm going to bring down everything I haven't done yet. So 52 plus 6, put brackets around those, plus 17. All right, so now I have 52 plus 6. I'm going to add those together. I get 58. Bring down the 17, plus 17. All right, so now I'm going to add 58 and 17. And that's 15, 5, 6, 7. My answer is 75. And that's what I get as my answer for the third problem. Now the fourth problem, you guys did really well with this actually, but this had brackets, braces, and parentheses, all three of those things. So let's look at it. Let's look at it. It was 5 plus braces, brackets, 2 times parentheses, 14 minus 9, parentheses, brackets, minus 1 braces. Whew. All right. So let's give this a try. So I see brackets, braces, and parentheses. I'm going to start in this section over here. All right. So I'm starting in this section over here, and I'm going to start at the parentheses all the way on the inside. Okay. So 14 minus 9, that's what I'm going to do first. So 14 minus 9 is 5. And then 2 times, I bring down the 2 times, and I put brackets around those. The minus 1. And I put braces around the remaining, plus 5. So I just simplified 14 minus 9, and I made it 5. All right, so now I'm still focusing on these. Okay, that 5 we're going to save to the end. So 5 times 2 in the brackets is 10. Bring down the minus 1. There's braces around both of those, plus 5. We're getting smaller and smaller each time. 10 minus 1 in the braces is 9. Bring down the 5. Look how much shorter. We went from this all the way to just 5 plus 9. So 5 plus 9, I'm kind of running out of room, is 14. And that's our answer. So every single time we do these problems, guys, do not stop until you get one single answer. All right? So that was a review of the Google form from yesterday, those 4 problems. Have a good day.